Good morning, students. Our today's topic is accounting as a source of information. Accounting as a source of information. In the earlier class, we did that the information that we get from the financial statements, the information in the form of we get the net profits or losses of the firm. We get to know about the financial position of the firm. All these information are at last we have to provide to the end users of our firm. So this is our main topic, and this is very much important topic of exam. Okay, bachcho. So we have various group of people who had a regular contact with the business enterprise, right? There are various number of people who are interested in the business, who want to know the financial position of this business. These are the various users who are always keen to have a look on the financial position, on the financial statement of the business, of the particular business. So they can be in the form of creditors, management, the owners, as well as the various other persons who may be interested in knowing the financial information of a business. So we are going to do the various parties interested in the financial information. So there are various parties to whom we will categorize into two parts. First, there are the internal users, and second one are the external users. The internal users are those persons who have a direct interest in business. Direct interest in business. They can be the two persons such as owner. Owner will be having a direct interest in the firm or a business, and other one is the management. Management also need the accounting information for the smooth and efficient running of the business. So these are the two persons who are always interested in knowing the financial position, financial results of the business, of this business. These are the persons who are having a direct contact, a direct link with the firm or business enterprise. So what are the needs of these persons? Why do they need the financial information? So first we have the owners. Owners. Who are the owners? Owners are those who contribute capital in the business. As such, they also need the information about the profitability and the financial soundness of the business. Means owners are those persons जो अपना पैसा कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं and they want to know the profitability and the financial soundness of the business. They are always keen to know whether the profits of the firm are increasing or decreasing, whether the firm has a great marketability or the market soundness of the firm, what are the various situations which lead to a firm into various decreasing factors in the economy. So the owners are the main persons who have set up the whole business, and they want to know why this business are facing such situations, or what are the reasons, what are the factors which has helped them to increase the financial profits of the business. And the second point we have is the management. Management are those persons who are employed in the management. These are those persons. There are various persons in the business enterprise which are employed to do the working of the business, and their needs are met by the accounting information. Accounting information means जो हम फाइनेंशियल जो हम प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट बनाते हैं, बैलेंस शीट बनाते हैं, और उसके बाद हम आगे पढ़ेंगे कि कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट भी बनाया जाता है. तो ये सारी मेन जो मैनेजमेंट है उन्हें ये सभी इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए होती है, और ये इंफॉर्मेशन उन्हें इसीलिए चाहिए होती है ताकि वो अपने प्रोडक्ट की कॉस्ट को कैलकुलेट कर सकें. दे वांट टू नो what is the speed of cost of production, and they want to know the profitability of each product, and they want to the reasons behind such profits or sales. So these are those persons which have a direct link with the financial information of a business enterprise. So write it down. Owners, they want to know about the profitability and financial soundness of the business. But the management are those persons who requires this unpublished internal reports to know cost of production, speed of production, and they want to estimate the future sales and such other information which help the management in doing the workings. Then these are those persons, these are those two persons who have a direct link with the management, with the these are those persons which have a direct link with the business enterprise. But there are some other users of the financial information also which have an indirect link with the management, with the financial information. They wanted to know the financial information of a particular business enterprise, and these are those persons which have no direct link with the management. They have no access to the internal or unpublished report, and they always make use of the external reports. So in the management, in the working, in the unpublished reports, we have certain other reports such as we have journal, leisure, and there are such other reports. But when we will provide the financial information to the external users, we will only and only provide only those reports which are properly published, properly audited, like the financial statement, that is the balance sheet of the business enterprise. So the external users, we have a total of 9 external users. So the first external user is the potential investor. So the potential investor is that person who have a need, who have interest in the business enterprise, and they want to invest in a particular business. So अगर एक पर्सन एक पर्टिकुलर बिजनेस में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहता है, एक पर्सन एक पर्टिकुलर बिजनेस में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहता है, तो वो उसकी फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन को देखने जाएगा. Whether the firm is earning a good profit, whether the firm has a good marketability, whether the firm has a good sound value in the market, तो वो हमेशा इन फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन के ऊपर डिपेंड होगा. एंड ही ऑलवेज वांट टू नो वेदर इट इज़ सेफ फॉर हिम टू इन्वेस्ट. तो उसके दिमाग में हमेशा यही होगा कि क्या मैं यहाँ पे सेफ हूँगा इन्वेस्ट करने में, ठीक है जी। देन वी हैव द शॉर्ट टर्म क्रेडिटर्स। शॉर्ट टर्म क्रेडिटर्स आर दोज पर्सन जो क्रेडिट के ऊपर, मतलब उधार के ऊपर गुड्स फर्म को दे देते हैं। बिजनेस इंफॉर्मेशन जो है हम उन लोगों को प्रोवाइड करते हैं ताकि वो लोग हमारे ऊपर यकीन करके हमें छोटे छोटे जो हम शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए गुड्स और सर्विसेज ले आते हैं उनसे उधार पर, वो हमें दे दें। तो एग्जाम्पल इसमें भी एग्जाम्पल विल बी द सप्लायर्स ऑफ goods and services on credit। जो लोग हमें क्रेडिट पे दे देते हैं, क्या वो अपना ऐसे बिना यकीन के दे पाएंगे? तो they have to make a faith on the business enterprise, and for that they have to keep a look on the financial information of the business enterprise. Then we have the long term creditors. Long term creditors are those persons who gave loan to the firm, and they are always in a various dilemmas that whether they should give loan, whether they will get a proper interest on the loan, whether the repayment of loan will be done on a proper timely basis. So they always before giving loan, these are the persons such as the financial institutions, those who provide finance to the firm. They are always in a need of these financial information, because they have to make a faith on the financial creditability of the firm, ठीक है। So they are also the long term provider, loan providers, and they have to keep a faith on the business enterprise only on the basis of the financial information ऑफ दी बिजनेस एंटरप्राइज। अगर उससे बिजनेस एंटरप्राइज के ऊपर प्रॉपरली यकीन हो जाएगा, ओनली देन अगर वो उसकी फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन के ऊपर प्रॉपर ट्रस्ट बन जाएगा, तो then these persons will be able to invest or provide loans to the business enterprise. That is why these person requires the financial information of the enterprise. Then even the employees, they want to know the profits of the business. They want to know what they are doing, where they are standing, and on the basis of these profits they are able to claim higher wages. If they are working very well and they are always in a position that they can expect bonus, so they need the information from the financial information. They need the financial information to know the results, to know the profits, so that they can demand higher wages and higher bonuses. So they are always interested in knowing the financial position, the financial result. And then we have the another persons, that they are the taxation authorities. The taxation authorities are those persons who need the information because they have to assess the GST. All those authorities which want to assess the GST or income tax of a particular business enterprise, they need the financial information so that they can compute the results. Then we have the business or government agencies. Government or business agencies, government or the various related agencies, they always need the financial information. They always want to know the financial information of a business enterprise, because they have to provide subsidies also. They have to provide subsidies, they have to provide some rebates, they have to provide some relief in taxation. So all this information is needed to judge whether a company, whether a business enterprise deserves to get such subsidies or reliefs or not, right? And then the public is always interested. Yes, we people are always interested to know whether the firm is doing well or not. right? And there are various social responsibility persons also. These are the environmental groups who always want to know whether the business enterprise is making various steps, whether the business enterprises are making various steps to save our environment. These are those persons who are always working for the social economy, so they are always interested in the financial information of a business, because they want to know whether the company has doing a proper work, has maintained proper policies regarding the social economy, environmental effects. Then the main persons who are always interested in the financial position, financial information of a business enterprise are our competitors. Competitors are like the persons who are those persons who are selling the same products in the market which we are selling, or the similar products, or the identifiable products. So they are always in a need of this information, so that they can have a check on our weakness and they are able to improve themselves. These are the market, we have market competitors, so they always want to know, have a check on us. So let us revise. We have two main groups of users of financial information. तो पहले था हमारे पास internal users in which we include the owner and the management. ओनर ने पैसा इन्वेस्ट किया है, सो ही विल बी इंटरेस्टेड इन नोइंग द फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन, financial profits, and the management. These all are also doing work in the management. All those persons, those who want to calculate the profits, those who are involved in calculation of cost and the various reasons behind that, they all need this unpublished reports. But we have the external users also, which are having no direct link with the internal management. They only want to know the information from the published reports, and that persons are those persons who want to invest, or the persons those who are providing loan, short term loan or long term loan, or the employees are always interested. And the other persons are the taxation authorities and the government agencies. They have to compute the income tax or GST, or government is involved in providing relief on tax or providing subsidies, so that is why it needs the financial information. Then there are social responsibility groups which are working for the social environment, and they are having a look, having a check on our information. And public is always interested in every जो हमारा फैक्टर है, एवरी एरिया पब्लिक इज इन्वॉल्व्ड इन हैविंग information about that. And then next one is the competitors. These are the main persons who are always keen to have a look on the performance of their competitors, so that on the basis of their performance they can improve their performance. So this is whole about the financial information. These are the users of the financial information. But when we say about the financial information or the accounting information, so this financial information is all the accounts related information, in which we provide the financial records like a profit and loss account, balance sheet. So what are the features? What are the important features of accounting information? So as we know, our information will reach various persons. Yes, जो हमारी फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन है वो कई लोगों के पास जाएगी. So we have to keep a check on that. तो हमें भी पता होना चाहिए कि उस फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन में क्या क्या चीज़ें इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं जो हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है चेक रखनी. तो फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन में कुछ हमारे पास इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स हैं जो हमें हमेशा ध्यान में रखनी है. तो उसके फीचर्स हुए, सबसे पहले फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन एक रिलायबल इंफॉर्मेशन होनी चाहिए. फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन शुड बी अ रिलायबल इंफॉर्मेशन. Reliable information means, so let me explain you something regarding this. देखो बच्चों, हर एक फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन को एक रिलायबल होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, ताजो हमारी एक इंफॉर्मेशन ऐसी हो जिसके ऊपर हम यकीन कर सकें। वो इंफॉर्मेशन जिसके ऊपर हम जिस इंफॉर्मेशन को हम वेरीफाई कर सकें। ठीक है जी। हम कहीं भी कोई भी सोर्स डॉक्यूमेंट के बेस के ऊपर ही कोई एंट्री रिकॉर्ड करेंगे। हमारी फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन है, सोर्स डॉक्यूमेंट मीन्स हमारे पास कोई ना कोई सेल इनवॉइस होगा, कोई ना कोई हमने एग्रीमेंट किया होगा, उन्हीं के बेसिस पे हम ये इन्फॉर्मेशन रिकॉर्ड करेंगे। तो जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन हम रिकॉर्ड करेंगे वो एक प्रॉपर वेरीफाइबल इंफॉर्मेशन होनी चाहिए, जो कभी भी चेक करने पे हमारे पास ट्रस्टवर्दी हो। ठीक है। देन द नेक्स्ट फीचर इज द relevance. Relevance means जो अकाउंटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन है, सपोज दिस इज़ अवर अकाउंटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन एंड दिस इज़ अवर बिजनेस, सो हमारी इंफॉर्मेशन में सिर्फ और सिर्फ वही, हमारी इस इंफॉर्मेशन में सिर्फ और सिर्फ वही इंफॉर्मेशन होनी चाहिए जो हमारे टॉपिक से रिलेटेड हो। सपोज जो हमारा कॉमर्स है वो एक बिजनेस है और ये हमारी उसकी बुक जो है वो हमारे फाइनेंशियल रिकॉर्ड्स हैं। ठीक है जी। तो कॉमर्स में सिर्फ वही इंफॉर्मेशन होनी चाहिए जो अकाउंटिंग में, अकाउंट्स है, बिजनेस है, इकोनॉमिक्स है, वही होना चाहिए। और अगर आप इसी कॉमर्स की फॉर्म में बुक्स में आप यहाँ पे बुक्स में केमिस्ट्री लिख दोगे तो दिस इज़ नॉट रेलिवेंट टू अवर बिजनेस, तो ये हमारी कॉमर्स से नहीं रेलिवेंट है। तो हमारा जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है वही होना चाहिए जो डायरेक्टली हमारी बिजनेस से रेलिवेंट हो, और कुछ भी अननेसेसरी, कुछ भी बेफालतू का, कुछ भी अपनी अजम्पशंस इसमें नहीं देनी है। ठीक है बच्चों। देन थर्ड पॉइंट वी हैव इज अंडरस्टैंडेबिलिटी। अंडरस्टैंडेबिलिटी मीन्स हमारी इंफॉर्मेशन ऐसी होनी चाहिए जो जब मर्जी हम रीड कर लें, किसी भी कंडीशंस पे, वो इतनी सिंपल, इतनी लॉजिकल हो कि वो हर एक यूज़र्स को ईज़िली समझ आ जाए। ठीक है जी। एक जर्नल टॉपिक भी लेके चलना है, हमें प्रॉपर डिस्क्राइब करना है, कुछ भी बेफालतू का डिफ़िकल्ट नहीं लिखना है कि हमारे यूज़र्स को ही पढ़ना मुश्किल हो जाए। Then next point we have in our chart is the information should be comparable. Next point is comparability. Comparability means हमारी एक इंफॉर्मेशन जो हम इसमें प्रोवाइड करेंगे वो ऐसी होनी चाहिए सच दैट हम उसी इंफॉर्मेशन को कहीं पे भी कंपेयर कर सकें। जैसे कि हम अपनी फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन को अपने प्रीवियस ईयर के इंफॉर्मेशन से कंपेयर कर लें, या फिर अपनी ही परफॉर्मेंस को अपने दूसरे साथियों की परफॉर्मेंस से कंपेयर कर लें। तो साथी कौन हुए? हमारे जो कॉम्पिटिटर्स हैं। हमारी इंफॉर्मेशन ऐसी होनी चाहिए जिससे हम कंपेयर करके अपनी वीकनेस को स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट में कन्वर्ट कर सकें। चाहे वो हम कंपैरिजन अपने ईयर टू ईयर बेसिस पे कर सकते हैं, और या फिर ये जो हमारा कंपैरिजन है हम अपनी ही इंफॉर्मेशन को दूसरी अपने कॉम्पिटिटर्स के साथ कंपेयर कर सकते हैं, जिसके साथ हम एक बेटर प्रिपरेशन एंड बेटर रिपोर्टिंग ऑफ फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन के साथ हम ये कर सकते हैं। अगर हमारी फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन बहुत ही अच्छी होगी, बहुत ही प्रॉपरली बनी होगी, तो वो इंफॉर्मेशन हेल्प कर सकती है हमें अपने रिकॉर्ड्स को कंपेयर करने में। ठीक है जी। लास्ट पॉइंट वी हैव द फेथफुल प्रेजेंटेशन। फेथफुल प्रेजेंटेशन। फेथफुल प्रेजेंटेशन वो होती है कि जिसका एक ट्रू और फेयर व्यू हो ठीक है जी। फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट जो हम फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं वो इतनी ट्रू और फेयर होनी चाहिए जिसमें हमारी प्रॉफिट्स, हमारी फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन, हमारे कैश फ्लोज में एक प्रॉपर डिस्क्रिप्शन होना चाहिए, प्रॉपर यकीन करने वाला डिस्क्रिप्शन होना चाहिए, जिसके अंदर हमें प्रॉपर अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स यूज़ करने हैं, ताकि हम जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं वो इतनी फेथफुल हो कि अगर हमने स्टैंडर्ड्स को भी कंपेयर करना हो तो स्टैंडर्ड्स भी कहें कि ये इन्फॉर्मेशन जो हमने प्रोवाइड करी है वो बिल्कुल सही है, बिल्कुल अपडेटेड है, बिल्कुल एज पर द रेलिवेंट रिक्वायर्ड प्रिंसिपल्स एंड द वेरियस रेलिवेंट रिक्वायर्ड स्टैंडर्ड्स हैव बीन इंक्लूडेड इन इट। तो अगर वो सारे स्टैंडर्ड्स प्रिंसिपल्स को लेके हम करेंगे तो वो एक प्रॉपर अकाउंटेंसी हो जाएगी। ठीक है बच्चों, सो वी आर डन विद आवर टुडेज टॉपिक। टुमारो we will be having a very last topic, that is the advantages and limitations of accounting, and after that our this chapter will be complete and we will start our next topic. So please properly make the proper